Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel to prepare chapati today, a Swahili dish that is cooked mainly in East Africa. So look at it, this was the result as I was eating after cooking. So first of all, you have to prepare the working table after making the chapati dough, which I had explained in the previous video. So I sprinkle the flour on the working table, then I prepare the whole dough, the whole big dough. I'm gonna divide it, but first I have to like spread it or make it form like a chapati, like I'm going to show you. So I prepare the oil on the maybe some little bowl. After that, I start making the bigger chapati dough. This is what I'm going to split into pieces so that I make the small chapatis in rolled form, because the rolled one tends to make the layers. So you see the way I've made it, this is not the chapati but just the dough that I want to cut into pieces. So I'm cutting into pieces. These are the pieces that I'm going to roll so that I use them to make chapati. I'm making them in this way so that the chapatis can form the layers. Yeah. So after doing that, I start rolling them. I start making this small chapati dough. As I said, these are the ones that I'm going to use to make chapati. I'm just making them like the smaller ones that can fit the pan. After that, I've made couple of them. Look at them, these ones. So these are what I'm going to roll to make chapati. So while rolling, I tend to be gentle, because if you roll it hardly, it will not form the circle shape. So I'm rolling them, and the chapati are not being stuck on the working table because I sprinkled oil and I sprinkled some flour, dry flour, as you saw it from the beginning. So I roll it until it attained the circle shape. Here it is. I've explained even in some short videos in this YouTube channel how I can attain this shape, like specifically making the chapati shape. You see, I'm working on it gently. I'm trying to touch all the sides. So you can't just roll like one place in the middle, but you have to touch both sides. If you feel that one side is thicker than the other, you tend to also touch those sides. So that's how it is. So I put it in the pan. So first of all, I will be cooking it halfway, putting aside, cooking it halfway, putting aside, cooking it halfway, putting aside, so that the chapati doesn't be like so that it be soft. So that it doesn't become hard or something. It's a soft chapati actually. So I cook them halfway, then after that is when I'll start cooking them fully. So now here my chapati are put aside, so I'm cooking them fully with oil in hot pan. So you see, I cook one side, then when it's cooked enough, I turn the other side. That's what I do for all of these chapatis until I get. So it's supposed to be brown, like it's not supposed to be like, when the only way you can know that your chapati is cooked, it should be a bit like that. You see now it's brown. So make sure you are pressing it on the pan until it cooks. So you see my chapati over there, it's cooked. The downer part, look at it now, how it looks. It looks so beautiful and yummy. Thank you guys for watching, and also don't forget to like, subscribe and comment if you want me to change something. Have a good day. Bye.